Okay guys, here we are again at 7 Mile Hill Sanctuary doing a little bit of maintenance to this TD15. As you can see, this is a pretty good sized blade. It's just over a 10-foot blade, nearly 11. This end bit, as you can see, is broken. This piece is missing. That's how we got it though, when we obtained it. And so I've now just got this old one off. You can see that old one is still on there in one piece. And so that'll have to come off as well. Now this piece, which we just took off, requires 3/4 bolts, which we now have. So this is the new end bit, which will be going on. We just got these back from Yukon Equipment here in Alaska. So we're giving a shout out to Andy and his staff, Sammy and his crew up here in Wasilla that called me and told me they were in. So each one of these has 6 bolts. And in the back of this is a stiffener. So as you can see the difference in the sizes. One of them is lengthier because it has a further to go in, which would be the top ones. And then these shorter ones obviously will plug into the bottom where there's no flange or stiffener on the back. So if Robin can show you from around here, you're going to see the stiffener with the 3 holes for the larger ones. So this end bit, Lord willing, they've got this right, will go on like this. And now you can see how the square head part and the carriage head, they countersink into this. So in theory, this should fit like this.
There you go.
And she's in.
There she went.
Okay, so that's good news. We know that these at least line up, at least in that particular one, and Lord willing, these here will line up and sink in. And when I put the nut on them,
look at there.
Got one more to go. It looks like these other 3 are going to line up as well.
Yep. Pay attention. We'll see it. Yahoo! All 3 pop through.
Okay, so let me do this. Here's the nuts that we got to put on. They go a certain way with the writing out because the other side is flat.
Looks like it might be tight in there.
Yeah, I know. I got to clean that out. More than likely, what I'll have to do, because I don't think I'm going to be able to get a socket on that, is turn it in with a wrench. Okay. 3 longer bolts are in through the stiffener in the back, and these 3 shorties should, in theory, fit right in here like this. You can tell if it looks back here. They've come through, so that's going to work. So this one seems to be aligned like it should be. So this end bit, or cutting blade as it's referred to sometimes, is what gets the ground followed up. And it seems to me so far 5 out of these 6 align with the bolt pattern, and hopefully this last one will.
Your last one and your middle one on top are not...
Hold on, they're not countersunk. Just give me a second.
All right.
I gotta find out which way that hole is, how many square is. It looks like that right there. Okay. Once I get a nut onto it, it'll turn in. Okay.
Flat side in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have a 3/4 impact with an 1¼ inch hardened socket. So this will charter the hardened steel tight. Grade 8 bolts, 325 grade 8. on this one, maybe though. That doesn't happen very often. Couple times for a couple hours. I'll check them again, make sure they haven't vibrated off. But as you can see, there's the new end bit for this dozer blade. Here is the new one, which is opposite hand of this one.
Yeah, it is. You gotta get that one off.
So what I'm going to have to do is take out these old bolts. But before I do that, I'll have to clean this dirt out of there to get after it. So stay tuned.
Yeah, you got it off.
One. Come on.
Out with the old and with
pig.
the new. Hey, Lance.
Okay. All right. Come on, baby girl, get up.
Well, that one looks broken. Yeah. Thank goodness for them guys to step up to the plate to get it for us.
Well, it's good to work with Saints. These are the old ones, right? So this is what I did on the other ones, folks. I'm going to clean these holes out. The right way to do this, folks, is to pressure wash. This is kind of like honing them out with the dirt. This one's got a bunch of dirt in it, so she probably won't go as fast.
Bolt must have come out, huh?
Yeah, I took it out.
No, that one was full.
Huh?
That one, you didn't lose, you did not take a bolt out of that one.
Yeah, I did. It's right here.
Where'd it go?
Right here.
Well, why was it packed with dirt?
Oh, that one might have been the one that was missing.
Right. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, well, you call that one right. We got Miss Robin Scanlon here, not only excavator operator, but dozer operator, but she's also the inspector for safety. So, we have the new end bit, folks, right here. Here's the new bolts. So that goes in, and once this head locks in, it countersinks. So if you turn that a little bit, you can see you won't be able to pull it through. It's out. But if you turn it, then it snaps in. So what we'll do, try to attempt to do, hopefully this one lines up. We'll put these in like this. That one seems to go. Kind of an irony of this thing. We're looking at a 78 TD15. She's old school, but she's still ticking. Here's the beauty of technology. We've got a 3/4 cordless impact. Just made short work of it. We're thankful. Not only do we have this equipment, but we have the weather in which we're to work in. Of course, the land that God's blessed us with to do the work on. So, stay alert. Keep in the faith. God bless you.